So we will talk about error code E-44 of the Toshiba VFD battery off panel failure. Okay. So it means you have one keypad. Okay. So in that keypad there is a small coin battery. Okay. So that is a battery cell that is almost dead or removed. Okay. So you what you need to like check that cell if that is okay inside of the keypad. So no need to you need to just replace that cell because of that cell keep memory of like keypad if there is any program stored into the keypad, so that took it active, okay, or available for use. If battery dies, so programmed stored to keypad might be lost. Okay, so in that case, what you need to just replace the battery and try to keep it into the good condition. And if you are not getting where from where you can get this cell, so you need to contact to the Toshiba, and you can write a mail or you can connect to the person who provide you the VFD, okay, and he will support you in that case. So it will be good for you if you will connect with the Toshiba team, and if you already have that cell, that also will be a good if you can replace that. So if your problem is still not resolved, what you need to do, you need to take membership of my channel, and then you can write a mail to us on your mail ID incasesales1@gmail.com. So on behalf of that your inputs, I will support you and I will help you to resolve your these issues